What is best for elk hunting? Elk hunting requires careful preparation in the right gear to increase your chances of success and ensure a safe and ethical experience. First and foremost, choosing the appropriate firearm or bow is crucial. While rifles offer greater range and stopping power, bow hunting can be a rewarding challenge for those skilled with a bow. Whichever weapon you choose, practice regularly to ensure accuracy and proficiency. Equally important is your choice of ammunition or arrows. Use high-quality, suitable ammunition that can deliver enough kinetic energy to ethically take down an elk. Additionally, investing in good quality binoculars and/or a spotting scope is essential for scouting elk from a distance. This will help you locate elk and assess their behavior before making your move. Comfort and mobility are critical during elk hunting trips, so dress in layers with camouflage or earth-toned clothing to blend into the environment. Sturdy, waterproof, and insulated boots are vital for navigating rough terrain comfortably. Don't forget a reliable backpack to carry essential gear, food, water, and extra layers. Familiarize yourself with the hunting area using topographic maps or GPS devices to navigate effectively and mark potential hunting spots. Elk calls, like bugles and cow calls, can be valuable tools for luring elk into range, but ensure you learn how to use them responsibly. Obtaining the necessary hunting license and elk tags as per local regulations is a must. Furthermore, maintain good physical fitness to handle the challenges of traversing rugged terrain. Ethical hunting practices are paramount, so always respect local laws, wildlife, and the environment. Aim for clean and humane shots, and carry safety gear like a first aid kit, fire starting tools, a flashlight, and a knife. The best approach to elk hunting involves selecting the appropriate weapon, using quality gear, dressing appropriately, understanding the terrain, respecting regulations, and practicing ethical hunting. By doing so, you can increase your chances of a successful and memorable elk hunting experience.